As a representative po ng Group 1 po in Palawan Studies, I will going po to present the topic that was given to us, which is the St. Augustine Parish. The municipality of Cuyo has a rich history dating back to the Spanish era, when the spread of Christianity had reached the entire province of Palawan, and when the Moro raids and attacks here and there were prevalent, particularly from 15th to 18th century. So in short po, ang munisipalidad daw po ng Cuyo ay may mayaman pong kasaysayan. Simula po noong panahon po ng mga Kastila. At after po nun ay lumaganap na din po ang Kristyanismo na umabot na din po sa buong lalawigan po ng Palawan. Kasabay po ng pagsalakay po ng mga Moro at pag-atake po nila. Simula po at laganap pa po mula noong 15th hanggang ika-18th century po. So the historical fort of Cuyo. The historical fort of Cuyo, Palawan is the only remaining witness of the town's rich history for the municipality that has a limited account describing their works in the past. So the fort was built in 1680 as a defense from the Moro raids with walls that sheltered the convent, the church, the perpetual adoration, chapel, and a portion of the Cuyo mainland. The church bell tower. The church bell tower was added atop one of the bastions of the fort in 1837. The Cuyo fort is the oldest, largest, and the most unique fort erected in the Philippines. And the main entrance to the fort is through the church main door. Another entrance is a blind door leading to a confined room where invaders were usually caught off guard. And for the last slide po, in our presentation po, the former center of Christianity. So Cuyo was a former center of Christianity in the province of Palawan and the main target po of the Moro attacks as evident in the damages experienced by the physical structures of the fort. The forts in Cuyo and other island municipalities of Palawan are historic evidence that showcase the rich and artistic naval protection system in the Spanish era. These forts were mainly built to protect the significant structures of Christianity. The Cuyo shares a lot with the history of Palawan, being the second capital of the province of Palawan from the years 1873 to 1903. The civil authorities of Palawan took shelter at the fort of Cuyo during the times of intensive Moro attacks. At dyan po nagtatapos ang amin pong short topic about po sa St. Augustine Parish in Cuyo, Palawan. Maraming salamat po.